Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off screen locking sound in your phone Vivo Y16. While you lock your screen there will be a small sound. Listen carefully or use a microphone to listen the sound. While unlocking also there is a small sound. If you want to turn off this sound, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first and then go to sound, then go to screen locking sound. Just you go to turn off this sound, and now you will not get that sound while locking and unlocking your phone. Listen carefully with microphone. There is no sound now. If you want to really have this sound, and you can just turn on this button, screen locking sound. Now screen locking sound and unlocking sounds will be enabled. So in this way you can easily control screen locking sound in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.